right, hello. I'm going to show you today how to set up assessment rubrics in Canvas, both in terms of importing an entire rubric, importing outcomes to create your own assessment rubric, and then how to import outcomes and criteria to create both an assessment and grading rubric. First, we're going to start with just importing an entire rubric to one assignment. When you get into your Canvas course, you're going to want to go to Assignments on the left side. And when you're in Assignments, locate the assignment that is aligned to the outcomes that you are wishing to assess. In this example, I'm just going to use this signature assignment here, just a placeholder. I'm going to select the assignment. And that will bring you to this page where you can edit the assignment, you can publish, but what I want you to do is go to the Add Rubric button right here in the lower left corner. Click that. That will bring up this window where you can build a rubric from scratch, but in this example we are just going to click Find a Rubric. In teaching an LAC course, you're going to want to find the LAC outcomes, which are found in the University of Northern Colorado. So I'm going to click on that folder. And then once you're there, you will see the rubrics for the GT Pathways outcomes. In this example, we'll click Inquiry and Analysis rubric because this assignment is going to assess inquiry and analysis. And then on the right side, you can see the criteria as well as the performance descriptors for each criterion on the rubric. If you scroll all the way down, you will see all of that material. If you scroll all the way down on the right bar, it will say Use this rubric. I will click that button, and that will import the entire rubric for me to use. The benefit of doing this is that it imports the whole rubric, no need to modify it or edit. However, there are point values associated with each of the criteria. This may not be a problem. If you click Edit, it will give you this error that you shouldn't make changes. Go ahead and click OK. And at the very bottom of the rubric, once you've clicked Edit, you can click Remove Points from Rubric if you don't want any of the points associated with the assessed criteria. And so I'll go ahead and click Remove Points from this rubric, and you can see that the points are then removed. And you can click Update Rubric, and it will update that rubric, removing all the point values but keeping everything else the same. For each criterion that you assess, you will indicate the performance level of the student work, from student provided no evidence to below proficiency, to near proficiency, to proficiency, or exceeds proficiency. If you did not expect a student to address one or more criteria of the outcome, you can simply leave those criteria blank and not fill in a score, and only score the relevant criteria of the rubric. And that will record your scores in Canvas that can then be aggregated to the LAC. And that is how to import a rubric in its entirety. In the next video, I'm going to show you how you can import individual outcomes to build your own assessment rubric.